Yeah, hi everyone. So today I'm going to discuss about what is a Jenkins high level and step by step installation of Jenkins on Windows. So let's get started in detail. So Jenkins is a open source automation server used to build and deploy the tested software. And basically by using this Jenkins, so software development process would be like automated. So using like continuous integration and continuous delivery. So Jenkins will support a lot of version control. Jenkins will support a version control such as a Git and Teams as well. SDK. So by using Oracle SDK download page or Open SDK location. So and we required like a Java SDK 11 and up to 21. So not 23. 23 is not working. Okay, and also install the once you download that JDK, so you can just click on the installer and set that Java home path. After setting the Java home path, uh, you can see the open your command prompt and you can see verify this Java version. So let me check my Java version currently. Open command prompt and type Java hyphen version. So Java hyphen version. Now I have installed OpenJDK version 21. So yeah, so 23 I tried it. It is not working, not compatible. So that is the case. Now let's download the Jenkins. So from where we can download? So we can download from yes, we can download from. So yes, yeah. Step two is download Jenkins. So we can visit official website of Jenkins website, and then from where we can download that Jenkins installer, and we are down we need to download that Windows installer. So that should be Windows.msi installer should be there. Okay, so let me go to the site and we start downloading that. So now you can see this is the let me go back and so this is our Jenkins download on location. So here we have a stable and weekly versions, right? So now you can see that there are some high level documentation also is provided with the screenshot here. So this is that one. Once a Jenkins package has been downloaded, proceed to install. So there's some section use a handbook kind of thing. So let me go overview on this quickly. And also here in this section, it was a detailed mention on the other requirement, and also you can see that chapter of subsection and how to install Docker, Kubernetes, and Linux and MacBook, right? So we are going to install Windows. Let me quickly go through that high-level screenshot and steps on installing Jenkins. Okay, click on Windows. Now you can see that. So so this is a Windows machine, and there are some kind of prerequisites which I showed and also mentioned here as well. And now you can see that once we get that MSI, so once you double click on the MSI Windows installer, you can see that installation step wizard, and just so you can follow this one, click on install button, and then it will be like you can choose or change a destination folder where you want to install, right? And you can if you want to as acting as server and you require server authentication, if okay, okay. So server login credential window will be open and you can see that logon type. So later we can select that first one, run service as a local instead of as a server giving the credential. And also after that we can check that default port ID, a port selection window which will be displayed. 8080 8080 is the default port ID. If you want change, if it is already any services occupied that, you can change it by testing the port. It will come to know. Then you can select that automatically get the JDK like a Java home path. So where the Java is installed, and if you want custom location, you can change it. And So then it will install that particular thing like Jenkins, and it is going to be in the install and cancel. So after installation is finished, now you can see that services in that Windows services. So here you can see that Jenkins is up and running, and then after we can um, unlock that Jenkins. Okay, post installation. So what we need to do, we need to open this, browse this particular URL, http colon localhost 8080. So by using that, we will automatically will get unlock screen. Okay, unlock Jenkins screen, and this unlock Jenkins screen will have some kind of location. So where that location is mentioned here, and in this location there is a secret initial password which has been created while downloading download time, and so you can go to that location of that, and automatically you can open that file and get that password and unlock it, paste on that there, and you can unlock it. So then it will be automatically installed, and provide the username credential admin very first time. So that way we can get that installation get ready. Okay, so let's do that same steps quickly. Now we are going to download this one, right? Windows, yeah, Windows. So I think for time being, I downloaded. Let me show you that here. So yeah, let me down click on that Jenkins MSI window. So now you can see, click on, okay. So now you can click on, yeah, let me, yeah. So this is a wizard where we can start our installation and automatically pick that default location only. And I want to run this server log and credential. I want to be in the local, so it is not recommended for that. And so the port section, yeah, port section is displayed in the installation window. So check that this port is already occupied or it is available. So once you click the test port, you will see that tick mark okay. In the sense it is not occupied, it is available. You can proceed with that. And also you can see that automatically Java home directory it captured. And if you want to change, you can change it. Okay, you see that. So fail to find the compatibility of 23. So I want to change this one. So I already yeah, I was installed 21 as well, right? So let me 21. So I can choose a 21. Click on OK, and 21 is okay, suitable or like supportable, and click on OK. OK. So then it is installing our Jenkins. So please wait some time. So let me uh, yeah, pause this. Yeah. So now, yeah, click on yes. Yeah. Now it is saying complete the Jenkins version, and click on finish button. So after click on finish, what we should do? We should go to the browser and uh, type that what we want to type. We want to type HTTP 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 colon slash localhost. So this is the one we need to click it. Okay, there is a space. I think the space issue. Let me also colon also missing. Yes. Yeah. Now you can see that it is. Yeah. What happened? Okay. Let me copy this URL better. Yeah, let me type that localhost HTTP colon localhost and let's see that. Yes, now you can see. We can you can see that getting started and unlock Jenkins. And in that unlock Jenkins, as I mentioned, right? So this is the place where we can get that initial administrator password. So now let me uh, run command. In that run command, I will paste it automatically. It will open the location. So in that location, yeah, I want to open this file. Yeah, this is the initial password. Copy the initial password and in the unlock window, Jenkins unlock window, right? So here you can paste it. So that is the way we can unlock our Jenkins and click on continue. So the password will be verified and so now we can install custom Jenkins, right? Yeah, yeah. Here we have some plugins, so we can go with the default selected plugins only. So double click it automatically. It is going to be next to page and see that all the default plugins are getting installing. So all of them are loading. Means all the plugins are getting installing like ant plugin, Gradle plugin, pipelines, branching source, right? And Git plugin, email extension plugin, right? And Gradle, right? Yeah. So credential binding plugin. So all those plugins are getting installed and it will be ready. So it will take some time. So let me pause it. Yeah, after all the plugins are installed, now it will be uh, come to this create first admin user. So you can provide that. Okay, I have entered the admin and password is also admin full name. You can add creates also. So provide if email ID, it is optional. So okay, yeah. So once we all the plugins are installed, so we will see this particular window like get started with this create a first admin user. You can enter that username admin and passwords and you can give the full name and like email ID is optional or you can skip also. You can skip also continue with admin. So but I want to give my own username so I can click on save. Okay, after entering the data, so my first admin user and I want to like save and continue. So after click on save and continue. Yeah, maybe yeah, it is asking email address. Let me give my email address. Yeah, after providing the email address, so let's click on save and continue. Yes. So now it is you see that Jenkins instance configuration. So I saved it. Yeah, save and finish. So now we can see Jenkins is ready and Jenkins is ready. Your Jenkins setup is completed. Now start using Jenkins. So after that, automatically it will be a redirect to our dashboard page. Now you can see that the Jenkins dashboard page here and the name of the user, which user. So our username is displayed here and it is admin user ID. Okay. And this is a dashboard page. So very first time. So welcome to Jenkins and we need to create a job. Okay. And those will be discussed later part of the Jenkins series. Okay. Thank you all.